A new era of ambient intelligence arrives as tiny sensors and edge AI fuse to personalize everyday gadgets. In an exclusive interview, a leading researcher explains how context-aware chips predict needs before users even ask. A smartwatch tester shares how it gently surfaces health reminders during workouts without interrupting flow. Clinicians, parents, and commuters describe practical benefits from energy-efficient modes, safer navigation, and frictionless smart home tweaks. Experts predict rapid adoption across education, healthcare, and public services, with new standards unlocking personalized, privacy-mindful experiences. Viewers will see demos, behind-the-scenes labs, and credible data driving trust.